how to set an out of office on Microsoft Teams. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to set an out of office on Microsoft Teams. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Teams app on your laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, click on your profile icon on Teams. After that, look for the button to schedule an out of office. Alternatively, you can go to the three dots next to your profile icon and then to your settings. Then scroll to the bottom in general and click on schedule under out of office. Slide the button to turn on automatic replies. In the first out of office message box, enter a message for internal contacts and press save. If you want to enable replies to external contacts, tick send replies outside my organization and set a different message. To set a date and time period, tick the send replies only during a time period button and select your start and end times. Once you've edited all of these, hit save. So that's basically how you can set an out of office on Microsoft Teams. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.